Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the image and duplicating the background layer. This keeps your original intact. Once done, convert the duplicate to a smart object so edits remain reversible. Make sure layers and adjustments panels are visible. You'll use them immediately. Now add a levels or curves adjustment layer. Start with levels for speed. This first actionable step sets a non-destructive workflow and gives you full control over contrast without damaging the source pixels. Now you refine contrast using levels or curves. If using levels, drag the black and white input sliders inward to set true shadows and highlights, then nudge the midtone gamma for balance. If you choose curves, create a gentle S-shape by lowering shadows and lifting highlights to increase perceived contrast while preserving midtones. Once adjusted, toggle the preview to compare. Make sure to paint on the adjustment layer mask to apply contrast selectively, so skin tones and highlights stay natural. Finish by reviewing the whole image at 100%, and if needed, add a subtle brightness/contrast or exposure adjustment to taste. Make sure to check blend mode. Set the adjustment layer to luminosity to prevent color shifts. Reduce the adjustment layer opacity for a more natural result. If you see clipped blacks or whites, undo and reduce the strength, or use the shadow/highlight command for recovery. One troubleshooting tip: if colors look wrong, convert the adjustment to luminosity and recheck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.